July 24th. International Self-Care Day. International Self-Care Day is celebrated on July 24th. It stresses the importance of self-care as the cornerstone of wellness. On this day, individuals throughout the world are encouraged to make self-care a part of their everyday routines and turn it into a priority. It is a milestone and an opportunity to raise further awareness of the benefits of effective self-management of health. When you take care of yourself to stay well, you are practicing self-care. Staying well includes taking care of your whole self, physically, mentally, and emotionally. For some, self-care also includes taking care of themselves spiritually. So what exactly does self-care look like? It could be as simple as having some quiet time each day. Others might have coffee with a friend at least once a week. Other examples of self-care include having a regular sleep routine, maintaining a healthy weight, keeping a reflective journal, practicing gratitude, reading a good book, getting a massage, listening to relaxing music, learning to say no, asking for help when necessary. There are other areas of self-care that some focus on as well. For example, financial self-care involves paying bills on time and putting money into savings. Monitoring time on social media and decluttering your home are included in environmental self-care. No matter what kind of self-care one practices, one is bound to reap benefits. Having a healthier mind and body are the two primary benefits. Other benefits of self-care include feeling less stressed and being less overwhelmed. Self-care is especially important for caregivers. It's easy for a caregiver to pour all of their time and energy into another person. Doing so eventually takes its toll. As the saying goes, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. On this day, self-care activities are held throughout the world. Countries that have participated in the past include Australia, Canada, Kenya, Mexico, South Korea, Tanzania, the United States, and Vietnam. Self-care activities include poster design competitions, concerts, public lectures, and sponsored public walks. To participate, come up with a list of ways to practice self-care throughout the remainder of the year. If you know a full-time caregiver, offer to take them out for coffee. Learn more about the many benefits of self-care. Read a book to help guide you on your self-care journey, such as The Comfort Book by Matt Haig, The Self-Love Experiment by Shannon Kaiser, or Braving the Wilderness by Brené Brown. Take time to listen to a self-care podcast like Beyond the To-Do List or the Chasing Joy podcast. Also, share your favorite way of practicing self-care on social media with #International Self-Care Day. Self-care has become incredibly important as people realize the need to take care of themselves and put themselves first. This has made people talk about it and increased the interest of others to take control of their health and wellness by prioritizing themselves. Today, we urge you to practice self-care, even if all you do is take a walk.